In the not-so-distant past, a budget-friendly car was a staple on every dealership lot, offering a practical option for those seeking reliable transportation without breaking the bank. However, in recent years, these affordable options seem to be vanishing into thin air. What's behind this disappearing act of cheap cars? One major factor contributing to the decline of inexpensive automobiles is the rising cost of manufacturing. With advancements in technology and safety regulations becoming more stringent, the production of cars has become more complex and expensive. Manufacturers are incorporating more features and materials to meet these standards, driving up the cost of production. Additionally, the shift in consumer preferences plays a significant role. As people prioritize advanced technology, comfort, and performance, manufacturers are focusing on producing cars that meet these demands. This shift has led to a decrease in the production of basic, no-frills vehicles that were once the hallmark of affordability. The global economic landscape also plays a part in the disappearance of cheap cars. Fluctuating exchange rates, trade tariffs, and other economic factors can impact the cost of importing and exporting vehicles, making it challenging for manufacturers to maintain low prices. Moreover, the increasing emphasis on sustainability and environmental impact has pushed automakers to invest in more eco-friendly technologies. While these innovations are beneficial in the long run, they often come with a higher price tag, further contributing to the dwindling availability of cheap cars. So what can be done to address this issue? While the disappearance of cheap cars may seem inevitable, consumer demand has the power to shape the market. By advocating for more affordable options and supporting manufacturers that prioritize affordability, consumers can influence the direction of the automotive industry. The days of easily accessible, budget-friendly cars may be dwindling, but there are steps that can be taken to ensure that affordable options remain available. By understanding the factors contributing to the disappearance of cheap cars and taking action, we can work towards a future where quality, affordable transportation is within reach for everyone. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the automotive industry, share this video with your friends, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Together, we can drive change and keep affordable cars on the road.